So we're currently in a Panorama Suite on board an Avalon Suite ship. So this is the most prevalent room on the ship. In fact, virtually all the rooms are this room, and same thing with the entire fleet. This is their signature room. So as we come in here, you've got a large vanity with storage on both sides. So you've got some drawers here, okay? On this side, you have a fully stocked mini fridge, beer, wine, soda, juice, and things like that. Okay. And then I come to my favorite part of the room. So you've got a great seating area. Instead of a window here with a step out balcony, the entire room is a balcony. So this is their signature, this 11-foot sliding glass window, which opens the world up to you. So if you have a beautiful day outside, you're sailing on the Rhine or the Danube, you can open the door up. There you go. Okay, have a seat. And so the outside is the inside. If there's inclement weather whatsoever, wind, rain, a little bit warm, all you have to do is close the window, and now you have an incredible view of the world going by. So in addition to the seating area being part of the open-air balcony, the greatest part of this room is your bed is the exact same thing. So in this case, we have a bed that's configured as a queen together. It can also come apart as two twins if you're traveling with a friend. And one of the things that I love about that is what Avalon does is they put on a mattress topper. So there's no seam here like you get on many cruise ships. So on the twins, they would just have a separate twin mattress topper, and then on the queens together, they have one solid one together. And the best part is, of course, you've got your TV here to watch, but you've got the entire world as your view. And that's the best part of this room by far, is the fact that the bed looks directly out, and it's one of the only cabins on any river cruise line that actually does that. So for me, this is where you're gonna find me, sitting here, looking out, opening up the windows, and the entire room is an open air balcony, which is such a unique concept, but a fabulous one. So you have nightstands on both sides, which provide storage. And of course, if the beds are separated, then the nightstands would go in the middle to provide that separation as well. So if you follow me just into the restroom, come on in, you notice it's a pretty good size. I'm a pretty big guy. It's a large bathroom, single vanity, the L'Occitane bath amenities, and then of course a large shower. So it's a good size. For me, it's a good size. What I really like is not only is it tall enough, and then of course I can adjust this up and down, but I also like that there's room to move around in. So it's a really good size shower for a river cruise ship. And then in the entryway, you have a couple more places for storage as well. Okay, so you've got your safe here, of course, your robes, some extra blankets, and then storage on these shelves as well. And then as I open the main wardrobe, what you'll find is that this is where you'll hang everything up. You've got a shelf on top as well. Hangers are provided, but you can always ask for more as you need. Thank you so much for joining me on a tour of a Panorama Suite on board an Avalon Suite ship. This room is one of my favorites in all of cruising. It's got that 11-foot sliding glass window and the unique open-air balcony concept. I love that when you're laying in bed, you're looking out at the river as the world goes by. I know if you choose this room, you won't be disappointed. So if you're interested in booking this room or any other room on board the ship, or any other river cruise for that matter, please reach out and Hard Travel would be happy to help.